In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw cash from a Bank of America ATM without using a debit card. This can be a handy feature if you've forgotten your card at home, lost it, or just prefer a more digital approach to banking. So let's dive right in and go through the steps you need to follow to make a cash withdrawal seamlessly using just your phone or any other contactless device. First things first, make sure you have your device set up and ready with your mobile wallet app. Whether you're using Apple Pay, Google Pay, Samsung Pay, or any other contactless payment application, it's crucial that your Bank of America account is already linked to this app. Ensure that everything is set up properly on your phone or contactless device before heading out to the ATM. Once you're ready, locate a Bank of America ATM that has a contactless symbol. This is an important part as not all ATMs support contactless transactions, so be sure to look out for it before proceeding. Once you've found the right ATM, hold your phone or contactless device close to the contactless symbol on the ATM. This is typically located near where you would insert your card. At this point, your device may prompt you to authenticate the transaction, which can usually be done with your fingerprint, face recognition, or a passcode, depending on your device's settings. After your phone and the ATM have connected, it's time to enter your personal identification number, or PIN, on the ATM's keypad. Just like using your debit card, you will need to enter your unique 4-digit PIN. It's really important to keep your PIN confidential and shield your hand as you enter it to ensure privacy and security during the transaction. With your PIN entered and confirmed, all that's left is to proceed to your withdrawal. Follow the prompts on the ATM screen to choose the withdrawal option. Then, select the account you want to withdraw from, whether it's checking or savings, and enter the amount of money you wish to take out. Confirm your transaction, and the ATM will dispense your cash. Remember to take your receipt if you need one for your records. And that's it. You've now successfully withdrawn cash from a Bank of America ATM without using your physical card. This method can be incredibly convenient and secure, as it reduces the need to carry a physical card and minimizes the risk of losing it. Keep in mind that this is just one of many ways to manage your finances in our increasingly digital world. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you next time you're at a Bank of America ATM.